Many people are held back by fears that they lack experience or resources to start an online business or are too old to learn new skills. Fears like this can be overwhelming, causing people to put their dreams on hold indefinitely. The lack of experience is a common fear, but it's not a valid excuse, as many successful online entrepreneurs have started from scratch with little to no experience. People also worry about the technical aspects of building a website or creating a digital product, but these skills can be learned through online courses and practice. Fear of failure is another primary concern, with many people afraid to take the leap and risk losing money or damaging their reputation. This fear can be paralyzing, but it's essential to remember that failure is a natural part of the learning process, and every successful entrepreneur has experienced setbacks along the way. Others are concerned that they don't have a unique idea, that their market is too saturated, but the truth is that there's always room for innovation and differentiation. To start an online business, you must choose a niche you're passionate about with a market demand. You must also select a platform that suits your business needs, such as a website or social media. Marketing is crucial, and you can use tactics like SEO, email marketing, or paid advertising to reach your targeted audience. Identifying the target audience is crucial to the success of your online business. You must understand their needs, preferences, and pain points to create products or services that resonate with them. Creating valuable content is an essential, as it helps establish your authority and builds trust with the audience. Consistency is key in content creation, as it keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. The key to success lies in the persistence and the continuous learning. You need to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies in your niche and be willing to adopt to changes in the market. Building a community around your business can also help you stay motivated and inspired. Outsourcing tasks outside your expertise can help you free up time and focus on high leverage activities. Leveraging technology such as automation tools and software can streamline your business operations and increase your efficiency. You need to have a clear vision and set achievable goals to increase your chances of success. Breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks can help you stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Celebrate those little successes, no matter how small, can help you stay motivated and encouraged. And building an online empire from scratch requires patience, dedication, and hard work, but it's achievable with the right mindset and the tools. Follow the steps and strategies outlined, and you can turn your dreams into realities and create a successful online business. So if you're ready to take the first step towards building your online empire, share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video for more advanced online marketing strategies. And this is Scott. Peace and progress.